Hello everyone. I'm Teacher Feng. Are you ready to learn science with me? That's great. Today I will teach you the different geologic features that can be formed out from the convergence of two oceanic plates and convergence of two continental plates. In our previous lesson, you have learned about the different types of plate boundaries, one of which is the convergent plate boundary. So, how do plates move in this type of boundary? That's right. The two plates move toward each other. Now, let us explore the different geologic features formed from convergent plate boundary. Before we will start with our lesson, let us define first the following words to be used during our discussion. First we have convergence. It is the collision of two crustal plates. The two plates converge or move toward each other. Geologic features. Formed or produced by Earth's events or activities. Trench. A depression in the sea floor produced by subduction process. Subduction. A process whereby the crust bends toward the mantle. Mid-ocean ridge. A continuous mass of land with long width and height on the ocean floor. Also known as underwater mountain range. Volcanic island arc. A chain of volcanoes that develop parallel to a trench. Now, let us get into our topic for today. Have you ever wondered as to why our country is endowed with different kinds of geologic features such as mountains, volcanoes and islands? If yes, then, this video will help you understand and appreciate as to how these features were created. Now, let us determine the effects of convergent plate boundaries. There are three types of convergence. The first one is continent-continent convergence. When two continental plates converge, no subduction happens because of their similar densities. No trench, no volcano, and definitely no island arc are created. Instead, a large group of tall mountains are formed called mountain range. The collision between Indian and Eurasian plates gives rise to a mountain Himalayas, to which it still goes because of the continuous grinding of the two plates. Another examples are the European Alps. Second, we have oceanic convergence. Oceanic crusts are dense and very thin. When they converged, one runs over the other causing it to sink and forms a subduction zone. As it goes deeper, it leads to the formation of trenches. These trenches can be the source of underwater earthquake, that generates a sea wave called tsunami at a greater strength. Examples of these are the Marianas Trench and the Philippine Trench. This type of collision may also form islands like some of the Philippine Islands, and volcanic island arc. The last one is continent-oceanic convergence. Here, oceanic crust sinks under the continental crust due to its higher density. It undergoes the so-called subduction process. As it sinks toward the hot mantle, the subducted crust melts and forms magma. Less dense magma with water rises up causing volcanism on the continental crust. Another important feature formed on the oceanic crust is the trench, also called submarine valleys. Mid-ocean ridge or underwater mountain range is also created along the oceanic crust. As the plates continue to grind, what do you think will happen? That's right. Now, let us answer self-assessment question number 1. What is the major geologic feature formed by the convergence of two continental plates? The two oceanic plates? major geologic feature formed by two continental convergence is mountain range, while in two oceanic convergence is trench. Were you able to get the answers correctly? Very good. Number 2. What is the importance of knowing the geologic features formed by the converging of crustal plates? The correct answer is: it provides information about the plate tectonic theory. It also gives evidence and understanding of the evolution of the Earth's surface, formation of mountains, volcanoes and earthquake epicenter. This time, we shall have some practice exercises. Complete the following by identifying the geologic features and examples of created features or places for each convergence. Number 1. Continent-continent convergence. What geologic features are formed by continent-continent convergence? The correct answers are mountain range and Alps. What about their examples? Himalayas and European Alps, that's right. Number 2. Oceanic convergence. Oceanic convergence. The correct answers are trench, underwater volcanoes, island arc. What about their examples? Possible answer are Marianas Trench, Marianas Island in Japan, Aleutian Island, Philippine Islands. Did you get them correctly? Great job, guys. Oceanic convergence. What geologic features are formed in the continent-oceanic convergence? The answers are volcanic arc and mid-ocean ridge. What are their examples? Cascades of western U.S., Andes Mountain in South America, Mid-Atlantic Ridge, East Pacific Rise. Were you able to get all of the answers correctly? Very good. You're now ready on the go. Now, let us answer self-assessment question number 3. Philippines consists of several trenches. Can you name some of these trenches? Philippine trenches includes Manila, Negros, Cotabato Trench System, and the Sulu Trench. That's right. Now, let us summarize what we have learned for today's lesson. Convergence of crustal plates results to the formation of geologic features. High mountains form when continental plates collide. If the subduction occurs beneath oceanic lithosphere, an island arc is produced at the surface, such as the Japanese island, the Aleutian Island, Philippine and Caribbean islands. If the subduction occurs beneath the continental crust, continental volcanic arc is produced, such as the Cascades of the western US and Andes Mountain of South America. Also the Marianas Island. Converging oceanic plates will create the formation of trenches. Earthquakes due to plate tectonics give rise to several geologic features and events. Now, let us check your understanding. Write your answer on the 1/4 sheet of paper. 1. Which of the following shows a convergent plate boundary? Is it letter A, letter B, letter C, or letter D? 2. What type of convergence leads to the formation of islands? A. Continent-continent convergence. B. Continent-oceanic convergence. C. Oceanic-oceanic convergence. D. Both B and C. 3. Which of the following are produced by the convergence of two continental plates? A. Mountain range and volcanic arc. B. Mountain range and earthquake. C. Earthquake and volcanic arc. D. Earthquake and trench. 4. Which of the following is produced when subduction zone is formed? A. Mid-oceanic ridge. B. Mountain range. C. Trench. D. Volcanic arc. 5. What geologic event leads to the formation of the Himalayas? A. Earthquake. B. Formation of mountain. C. Rift Valley Formation. D. Volcanic arc. 6. What type of plate movement is shown in the figure? A. Convergence of continental plates. B. Convergence of continental oceanic plates. C. Convergence of oceanic plates. D. Divergence of oceanic plates. 7. What geologic feature is formed on A. Mountain range. B. Ocean ridge. C. Trench. D. Volcanic island arc. 8. If B is a subduction zone, what geologic feature could possibly form in it? A. Ocean ridge. B. Trench. C. Tsunami. D. Volcanic arc. 9. Which of the following is not a geological feature produced by convergence? A. Earthquake. B. Island arc. C. Rift Valley. D. Submarine valley. 10. What is the significance of learning these geologic features produced by convergence? Letter A. 1 and 2. B. 2 and 3. C. 1, 2 and 3. D. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that concludes our topic for today. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys have learned something for today's lesson. Stay safe and healthy.